Wake up!
It's Saturday. Wake up, the sun is shining bright. Birdies sing a happy song in the morning light. I've got a special trip today. I can't wait to see a wonderful adventure with dear Granny waiting for me. A day with Granny, oh what fun, laughing, playing in the sun. Hand in hand we'll smile and say it's the happiest Saturday. Packing my little backpack.
I pack my little backpack with a snack and teddy bear, a bottle of water and a hat to wear. Everything is ready, now it's time to go off to Granny's house where the pretty flowers grow.
Down the street I skip along, the station's just ahead. I wave to friendly neighbors and hear the words they said. Have a lovely journey, and I smile with delight. Today's adventure's starting, and everything feels right. A day with Granny, oh what fun, laughing, playing in the sun. Hand in hand we'll smile and say it's the happiest Saturday. The whistle says go.
The train rolls in with a chug-chug sound.
The whistle blows as wheels spin round.
I find my seat beside the glass
And watch the busy world rush past. Looking out the window,
green fields, little farms, and cows that softly moo. Horses in the meadows, and skies so bright and blue. Rivers sparkle in the sunshine, trees dance in the breeze. Every little sight I see fills my heart with glee.
over bridges through small towns, past gardens full of flowers. The train keeps moving happily for miles and miles and hours. I count the sheep and waving trees and dream of what adventures Granny has for me. A day with Granny, oh what fun, laughing, playing in the sun. Hand in hand we'll smile and say it's the happiest Saturday. Arriving at Granny's house, the train slows down and comes to rest. I hop off quickly, feeling blessed.
There by the gate with arms open wide,
Granny's waiting with a smile and pride.
she gives me the biggest hug I've ever known, the warmest welcome that feels just like home.
Come along, she says with a twinkle in her eye. We've got lots of fun before the day goes by.
We stroll through rows of roses, red, pink, and white. Butterflies flutter in the golden light.
The flowers sway gently as we walk along, and the bees hum softly like a summer song. A yellow butterfly lands upon a flower near. I tiptoe very carefully and watch it without fear. It dances through the garden, floating here and there like a tiny painted kite drifting through the air. A day with Granny, oh what fun, laughing, playing in the sun. Hand in hand we'll smile and say it's the happiest
come and help me pick some apples, he says with joyful pride. Red ones, green ones, shiny in the sun.
Picking apples together is twice as much fun. Feeding the ducks.
At the pond the ducks all waddle, quacking as they go, splishing and splashing in the water down below. They paddle in circles and flap their wings too,
as Granny and Grandpa laugh along with me.
We spread a blanket on the grass beneath the shady tree. Sandwiches and fruit taste extra good to me. The ducks swim gently on the pond nearby,
and fluffy clouds go drifting through the sky. Back on Granny's porch, we sit in rocking chairs, with warm tea, tasty cookies, and stories that she shares. We laugh about the day's adventures and all the things we've seen, the happiest little memories that ever there have been. Watching the sunset.
The sky turns pink and orange as the sun begins to rest, painting all the clouds with colors I like best. We sit together quietly, enjoying every view, a perfect ending to a day so bright and true.
Saying goodbye. The evening train is waiting, and it's time to leave once more. I give Granny and Grandpa hugs just like before. I'll come back soon, I promise, with a smile so wide, as the train begins its journey and we wave goodbye. A day with Granny, oh what fun, laughing, playing in the sun. Wonderful memories all the way from the happiest Saturday. Home before bedtime.
Back at home, I snuggle close beneath my cozy quilt, thinking of the lovely day and memories we built. As I drift into my dreams, one thing I know is true: another day with Granny is grating some wood in two.